Hello, I'm on my adventure again, and today I'm at a very special place which used to be a monastery in the heart of Derbyshire, and it's called Royston Grange. And let me tell you a little history about this interesting establishment. I'm actually standing next to a Victorian pump house. The building, which looks like a chapel, is actually a 19th century pump house. A large engine pumped compressed air through cast iron pipes to drive rock drills. The drills carved out the quarries along the Cromford and High Peak railway line, now the High Peak Rail. In the past, it definitely looks like the locals used the interior walls for target practice. This dominating feature takes away the real reason why I'm here, to find the old Royston Grange. We'll have no trouble here. If you find some stones poking through the grass, this would have been part of the Grange building. Archaeologists have unearthed an everyday story of rural farmers beneath this field. The stones are all that survive of the walls of Royston Grange's medieval hall and barn. The Grange was built by the Cistercian Abbey of Cromford in Leicestershire. Adam of Harthill gave the surrounding land to the abbey during the 12th century. The Cistercian lay brothers then created a farm known as a grange beside Valley's only permanent water spring. They raised cattle and sheep on the pastures. Wool was exported to Europe. Cows were milked in a barn. Milk was boiled over a central hearth to sterilize it and possibly used to make cheese. The hall was on 2 floors. The lay brothers lived on the first floor and stored produce and tools on the ground floor. They worked hard to battle against the local flooding, digging many stone-lined drains beneath and around the Grange. Cromford Abbey let the Grange to tenants toward the end of the 14th century. After the dissolution of the monasteries in 1536, the land was given to Roland Babington.